The moment I opened my hotel room door, I knew something was wrong. A suitcase was lying on the floor. The TV was on. And someone was sitting on the bed. The man looked up. Then he frowned. "Why are you in my room?" he asked. "My room?" I stared at him. "No," I said. "Why are you in my room?" For a few seconds, neither of us moved. I checked the number on the door. 312. That was the room on my key card. I looked at the card again. Room 312. I hadn't made a mistake. The man stood up. He looked confused now. Then he pulled a key card from his pocket. "Look." I looked. Room 312. My stomach dropped. How could we both have keys to the same room? At that moment, I stopped arguing. Maybe this wasn't his mistake. And maybe it wasn't mine either. But then whose mistake was it? I stepped back into the hallway. At this point, I wasn't even sure who belonged there. We looked at each other. Then we both started walking toward the elevator. Neither of us wanted to stay in that room. A few minutes later, we were standing at the front desk. "The room you gave me is occupied," I said. The receptionist smiled. "No, that's your room." I pointed at the man beside me. "Then why is he in it?" Her smile disappeared. "What?" She checked the computer. Then she checked again. This time, she looked worried. She called a manager. The manager walked over and looked at the screen. For a moment, nobody said anything. Then he froze. "Wait." He clicked something. Then something changed on his face. "I think I know what happened." The receptionist leaned closer. The manager turned the screen toward us. There were 2 reservations. And both had been assigned to room 312. The receptionist covered her mouth. "Oh no." The manager looked at her. "Did you check in 2 guests at the same time?" Her face turned red. Then she nodded. "I think so." The manager sighed. "That's it. 1 mistake. 2 guests. 1 room." The receptionist apologized several times. A few minutes later, they gave me a different room. A larger room. And they upgraded it for free. As I walked upstairs, I finally laughed. For 10 minutes, I thought I had walked into the wrong room. The truth was much stranger. The hotel had accidentally given the same room to 2 different guests. And honestly, I'm just glad he wasn't in the shower when I walked in.